Shri Sai Guru channel. This is Reshma. How are you everybody? Yes, I hope you are all good. Let us see today's question from the lesson pair of linear equations in two variable. This is a question from 3.1, exercise 3.1. So here on comparing the ratios a1 by b1, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at the point or are parallel or coincident. So, this equation equation number, okay, these two are the linear equation in two variable. 5x minus 4x, so it is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಮೂರು ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ಯಾವುದು a1 by a2 ಈಗ ಬರೀತೀವಿ a1 by a2 when it is equal to b1 by b2 and is c1 by c2. ಈಗ ಮೂರು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. The lines are coincident. Okay. Next, when a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2, so then the two lines are intersect. In case of the lines are intersect. Last condition, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are parallel. Okay na? So ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ a1 a2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. a1 5 ಇದೆ, a2 is 7. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ a1 b1 c1 ಅಥವಾ a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 by c2 ಹೇಗೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. b1 is minus 12, like c1 is 8. Okay. Next a2 is 7, b2 is 6 and c2 is minus 7. c2 is equal to minus 7. Okay. Next, let us calculate the ratio. Ratio ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 divided by c2. a1 by a2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 by 7. 5 by 7. Next minus 4 divided by 6. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ minus 2 divided by 3 ಬಂತು. b1 by b2 is minus 2 divided by 3. minus 2 divided by it is minus 2 divided by 3. c1 by c2 is 8 divided by minus 9. 8 divided by minus 9. So ಇವಾಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ these see a1 by a2 is not is equal to minus 2 by a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2. And 5 by 7 is not is equal to minus 2 by 3. So ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ the first two ratios a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. So here a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. So in this case the two lines are intersecting each other. So it implies here the lines are or two lines are ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ intersect ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The two graphs are intersecting each other or two graphs are intersecting each other. So next problem, second problem, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 12 is equal to 0. Same procedure ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ. So let us calculate a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. ಸೇಮ್ ಈ ಮೂರು ರೇಷನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, let us yes continue. a1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? a1 is 9, b1 is 3, c1 is equal to 12. Okay, next a2 is equal to plus 18, b2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 6 ಇದೆ, is equal to 6, b2 is 6, c2 is equal to 24. ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ತಾನೆ? a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. So next calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ ratios. a1 by 2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Next 9 by 80, 3 by 6 ಇದೆ, 3 by 6, 12 divided by 24. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 9 ones are 9 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are 12 ones are 12 twos are. So these three ratios is equal to 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, that is equal to C1 by C2. Hence by therefore or A1 by A2 is B1 by B2, that is equal to C1 by C2. ಮೂರು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, when three ratios are equal, then the two lines are coincident. Next problem, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, let us go for next problem, third problem. ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿನೇ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 6x minus 3y plus 10. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Next 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕನ್ನು. plus 9 is equal to 0. Guess ಮಾಡಿ A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ A1 is 6, B1 is minus 3, C1 is equal to 10. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ A1 B1 C1 ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A2 is equal to plus 2, B2 is equal to minus 1. Coefficient of y is here minus 1. C2 is equal to 9. Okay, next calculate all the ratio. B1 by B2, C1 by C2, next also A1 by A2. Okay, now A1 by A2 is A1 is 6, A2 is 2, B1 is minus 3 and B2 is minus 1, C1 is 10, then C2 is 9. ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ A1 by A2 is 2 ones are 2 3s are, so ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. This is A1 by A2 value. Next minus by minus is plus, 3 by 1 is 3, so ಇದೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ವಾ. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Next 10 divided by 9, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, it is as it is only, so this is not equal. So how to write the relation now? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 alva. So recall, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Therefore the two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so this way you can say about the two lines, whether the two lines are intersect, whether the two lines are parallel. Next, the two lines are coincident or not. This is depend on the value of these three ratio. Once again recalculation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A1 by A2 is not is equal to B1 by B2. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the two lines or the two graphs are intersecting at a point. Okay, next, if all the three ratios are equal, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and that is equal to C1 by C2. So in this case the two lines are coincident to each other. I mean two graphs ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, overlap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದರ ಮೇಲೆ overlap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next one, last condition, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, in this case the two lines are parallel to each other. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ವೆನ್ ದ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ this way one line is fall on another line, the position of the two lines are same here. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Please practice every day. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ದಿನಾಲು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Till then, take care. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do share, comment, and subscribe Sai Guru channel. Thank you.